Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to fix if the Photos app won't open on your Windows 11. So let's get started. We all know that Photos app is the default or built-in app to open photos or pictures or image files. Since the Photos app is there, you do not need any third-party app to open photos because you can open, edit photos in the app itself. Now let's see how you can fix if the Photos app fails to open. So here is our solution number 1. Do a right click on the start button and select settings. Once the settings app opens, go to apps, then installed apps. Locate the Photos app, click on the 3 dots next to it and select advanced options. Now in the next screen, scroll down until you locate terminate heading. Click on the terminate button first to terminate the app or its process. After this, locate the reset heading. Click on the repair button. This will repair the Photos app and in few moments it would be done. Now you can check the status of the Photos app and see if you can launch it. If the issue is still there, you can hit the reset button and this would delete the Photos app associated data. So in the confirmation prompt, simply hit the reset button. And now check the status of the issue. It must be resolved now. If you are still facing the problem, here is our solution number 2. Right click on the start button and select terminal admin. Click yes in the user account control confirmation prompt. When the terminal app opens to Windows PowerShell, you can paste this command from the video description. So this is the command. This command will basically re-register Photos app for all users on your Windows 11 device. Just hit the enter button on your keyboard to execute this command. In few moments, you will see that command executed without any red errors. And once the command executed successfully, the Photos app has been re-registered on your device. Now try to launch it and it should be working now. And lastly, we have solution number 3. And this requires you to manually reinstall the Photos app. Simply right click on the start button and select settings. In the settings app, go to apps, then installed apps. Locate the Photos app entry in this list of apps. Click on the 3 dots next to it and this time click on uninstall. In the confirmation prompt, click on uninstall button. You will find that Photos app is uninstalled. Now if I check with the search, you can see that Photos app can no longer be located. This means Photos app is removed from the device. After this, you have to simply restart your system. After restarting the system, you have to launch Microsoft Store. In Microsoft Store, search for Photos or Microsoft Photos and pick the official Microsoft Photos app search result. Click on the Get button here. And here you can see that now the Photos app is being downloaded and after this automatically installed by Microsoft Store. In most of the cases, manually reinstalling the Photos app would do the trick and ensure that you would be able to launch the Photos app. So in case if you have any question about these solutions, do let me know in your comments. I'll be happy to help you. And that's it for now in this video. Thanks for watching it. If you found it helpful, do like it, share it, and I'll see you in the next video.